Welcome back to a exciting and loud trip into the paint room here on Civvie TV. As usual, I've got my paint room and everything's just all over the place, and I'm doing this right before broadcast, so it'll be a really exciting unboxing. Today we've got a Selfie ring light. Newer makes them, a bunch of other random brands. This was the cheapest one I found on Amazon at about $13 Canadian with Prime shipping, so you know, I bet they all come from the exact same place. It's just whatever price they want to throw on it. But I was thinking of taking this and using it for my streaming setup to give a little bit more light on my models. So let's get into the box. So we have a phone clip. This is technically made for your cell phone so that you can, like, it's supposed to be for streaming on like YouTube, right? So you've got a cell phone clip, you hook the cell phone up, you do selfie mode or whatever, and then you have the ring light over to your eyes or whatever. But I'm not gonna use that part probably. This one comes with, ooh, very fancy, a little clippy ring thing. That's nice, I guess. I'm sure. And then we got the main kit and caboodle. We also have a manual of how to use the clip thing. I'm just gonna crush that. How about that? Oh, the garbage is full. Anyway, so let's get into this. What we've got here is our ring light mixed with the gooseneck required for it. Oh, geez, where's the camera? This is quite large. So we've got a very small ring light. Apparently it can do 3 colors. We got a USB connection to it. With what appears to be on, swap colors, and probably brightness settings. Oops. So it's got that. It's on a gooseneck. Gooseneck feels pretty good. It's not gonna blow your mind or anything, but it's all right. My plan originally was to basically like disconnect this, put it on my C920, and basically give my C920 a ring light. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Let's see. Let's get the plastic off here. So, one side. Let's get this out of here too. Why not? There we go. That's much easier to see. So this side here has a connector for your ball mount here. This, I assume, goes on. Yeah, it goes on like this. Boop. And then this will lock basically the mount on and let you tighten it. So you can hook up your phone, put it where you want, and then it also comes with a table clamp. So you can hook it to the side of a table or a a desk or whatever and live stream from there. Out the bottom it looks like there's just a straight USB, so the USB goes all the way down the line, which will work great for people who don't want more cables on their desk, but I have cables everywhere. It's fine. What? You don't want cables? That's impossible. Anyway, anything else going on this? You know, I think that actually might be it. Let's do I have a USB available? Oh, that's a tough question. That's a tough one. Hold on. Let's see if we can turn this bad boy on. Okay, I found a USB. Let us get our light over here. Let's see how much light this actually produces. So it has a glowy on button when it's plugged in. And oh, it's actually quite bright. Is that max? Nope. That's like 50%. Oh, it's very bright looking at it. So we've got, this appears to be cool white. We've got tungsten. And we've got, that's daylight. It's a mix of the two. And you can go quite low. So if you want that, oh, that was very bright. If you want that like super crazy ring light glow that's terrible and you shouldn't use, you have that option with this bad boy. But if you want a more subdued something just to go nuts with your minis or whatever, this actually would be a pretty good setup if you were to do minis and then stream from your phone or use a what is that? The NDI, that's the tool, where you can stream basically from any camera, which could be your phone. Also, quite possibly, this phone connector is small enough / big enough to hold a C920. So you actually might just be able to put the shoe of the C920 in here. Might be able to figure that out. Hold on. I got a C920 right below this camera. Look at that. Pachkow! Let's see. This is very difficult. Just doesn't fit. But with a little, like, you could probably just put some double-sided tape in there and just turn this into, like, basically a complete miniature streaming setup, or pretty much any stream setup, pretty quickly. So yeah, let's hook it to the side of the desk here, and just kind of get that out the way. And let's get the light. Technically, you want it like right here, but it doesn't really work. Yeah, let's take a mini. Here's a mini I'm working on. So that's with it on. Where'd the control part go? And with it off. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Of course, it's not anywhere near in focus. Let's see. See if we can turn the AF on and see if it'll... Oh, it's trying. Oh, it's trying. But either way, so here's basically what it looks like with a mini. You can switch the lights. That is cool. That is tungsten. It's daylight, the one we actually want. And make it bright if you want. And yeah, that's pretty good. It's way cheaper than what I was doing, which was using mic stands for the cameras. Because even at the more expensive, like $20 version of this, you get both a place to put your camera and a place to put a light, and it keeps everything off the desk. So we'll try it today. Maybe I'll link some footage to what it looks like on the end of this video. But for now, I'm Civvie. Thanks very much for hanging out, and I'll see you guys next time. Figuring out anti-sound stuff and just make a box to hide the compressor in. I don't know, it says 56 decibels. It does, yes.